Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 polynomials. In that topic name is relation between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. Okay, what is our topic name? Relation between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. In general, alpha comma beta are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, that is p of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, what nana? Alpha and beta, these two are the Greek letters. Okay, we can read it as alpha and we can read it as beta. Alpha and beta, these two are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, that is p of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Clearly we know a comma b comma c belongs to real numbers. A is not equals to 0. Okay, so now x minus alpha, x minus beta, these two are the factors, x minus alpha and x minus beta. If alpha and beta are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, then x minus alpha, x minus beta, these two are the factors of a quadratic polynomial. So by writing like this, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to k of x minus alpha, x minus beta. Because of alpha, beta, these two are zeros, means x minus alpha, x minus beta, these two are factors. Ivi zeros aithe ivi factors. Clearly k is a constant. K is a constant. Now we can write it as k of, you just multiply with x, to multiply complete this bracket part, x into x, that is x square minus x into beta minus beta x, minus with alpha, again you multiply complete this bracket part, minus alpha into x, that is minus alpha x, minus of minus, that is plus alpha beta. So that is k of x square. If you take out the common minus common తీస్తే minus and x ni common తీస్తే we get, that is alpha plus beta of x plus alpha beta. Okay, so minus into alpha minus alpha into x minus alpha x, minus of plus beta, that is minus beta only, into x means that is minus beta x. So by comparing the terms both sides, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Yes, ఇక్కడ క్లియర్లీ a is equals to, ఇక్కడ k తోటి మనం మల్టిప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. we get k into x square, that is kx square minus k of alpha plus beta of x plus k into alpha beta, that is alpha beta. So by comparing the coefficients of x square, x and constant term, ఇక్కడ ఈ both sides, LHS side RHS side, ఈ coefficients of x square, coefficient of x and constant term ని కంపేర్ చేద్దాం. The value of a is equals to, ఇక్కడ x square coefficient is a, here x square coefficient is k, a is equals to k, and here x coefficient is minus k of alpha plus beta, here x coefficient is b, and we can write b is equals to minus k of alpha plus beta, and here constant is c, that is equals to k alpha beta. So we get clearly like this. This gives to us, ఇది మనకి sum of zeros means అంటే టూ జీరోస్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఆల్ఫా బీటా ఆర్ జీరోస్న we get that is minus b by a, and product of zeros alpha beta, that is equals to we get c by a. Okay, sum of zeros alpha plus beta, sum ante adding alpha beta are zeros, sum of zeros means minus b by a, product alpha into beta, that is c by a. Ante clearly minus b is the coefficient of x, a is a coefficient of x square, c is a constant term, and a is a coefficient of x square. Now let us take one example by I am going to explain this topic. I am taking a polynomial example. Consider a quadratic polynomial. Consider a quadratic polynomial p of x is equals to, that is 3x square minus x minus 4. I taken a quadratic polynomial p of x is equals to 3x square minus x minus 4. Okay, first of all I am going to find the zeros find out chestanu, then after relation use cheddam. Okay na, if I want zeros, that's why p of x is equals to 0 ki equal chestunna, p of x ni 0 ki equal cheyali. So p of x means what, that is 3x square minus x minus 4, that is equals to 0. In the place of p of x I written this one, that is equals to 0. By splitting the middle term, 3x square into minus 4, by splitting the middle term ni split chesi ee 3x square ni 4 ni into cheyadam. 3 into minus 4, that is minus 12 x square. Ikkada the factors of 12 rayandi. What are the factors of 12? 1 12s are 12 1s are 2 6s are 3 4s are, like that. Okay, but you take the two factors of a 12, their sum should be minus 1. అంటే ఇక్కడ what is the coefficient of x? ఇక్కడ minus x ఉంది, అంటే we can understand it as minus 1x. You can understand it as minus 1x, అంటే the coefficient of x is 1. Okay, so minus 12x square. You take the factors of 12, their product should be minus 12, their sum should be minus 1. Okay na, so that's why I am taking 3 4s are 12. So 3 4, these two are a factors of 12. I am satisfying this condition. ఈ రెండింటిని తీసుకోవాలి, ఈ two factors ni, their product should be minus 12. So that's why I am taking 3x into minus 4x, 3x into minus 4x, 3 4s are 3 into minus 4 minus 12, x into x, that is x square. So I get minus 12x square. Again you add 3x plus minus 4x, 3x plus of minus, 3x minus 4x means, that is we get simply minus 1x. So in the place of minus x I am going to write this part, this one, that is 3x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 4 is equals to 0. So in the place of minus x I written plus 3x minus 4x. Now in these two terms, first term second term, ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్లో మనకి 3x అనేది కామన్ ఉంది, దట్స్ వై ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ 1x ఉంటుంది. ఇయర్ 3x ఈజ్ దేర్, ఇయర్ 3x ఈజ్ దేర్, దట్స్ వై ఇక్కడ 3xని కామన్ తీస్తే ఇక్కడ ఒక x ఉంటుంది, ఇయర్ ప్లస్ 1, ఆల్రెడీ 3x అనేది కామన్ పోయింది కాబట్టి ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్లో, నెక్స్ట్ టూ టర్మ్స్లో 4 ఈజ్ కామన్, 4 4 minus 4ని కామన్ తీస్తే ఇక్కడ x ఉంటుంది ప్లస్ 1, దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0. So minus into minus 4 into x minus 4x minus of plus minus 4 ones are 4 again మళ్ళీ అదే వస్తుంది. సో బ్రాకెట్ పార్ట్లో x plus 1 ఇక్కడ x plus 1 దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫ్యాక్టర్ అండ్ ఇక్కడ 3x ఉంది ఇక్కడ minus 4 సో 3x minus 4 దిస్ ఈజ్ అనదర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఓకేనా. by equating separately x plus 1 is equals to 0 కి ఈక్వల్ చేస్తున్నాం 3x minus 4 is equals to 0 plus 1 transposing means that is x is equals to becomes minus 1 and minus 4 transposing means we get that is 3x is equals to plus 4 again 3 transposing means that is into quantities becomes division quantity. So we get what are the zeros nana manaku vachina zeros enti a quadratic polynomial having at most 2 zeros na we get minus 1 and 4 by 3. So you take alpha is minus 1 and beta is 4 by 3 okay na. Alpha is equals to minus 1 beta is equals to 4 by 3. Now ee renditni add cheddam sum of zeros sum of zeros sum of zeros okay na. Sum of zeros ante one of the zero we get what are that is minus 1 plus another zero what nana that is 4 by 3 okay na. Minus 1 plus 4 by 3 means 3 ones are minus 3 plus 4 by 3 that is equals to minus 3 plus 4 1 by 3 okay na. 3 తోటి 1 ఇలా ఎల్సిఎం తీసుకుంటే 3 వస్తుంది 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 1 into 4 4 1 3s are 3 minus 3 plus 4 that is 1 1 by 3. Sum of zeros వచ్చేసి you get that is 1 by 3 and product of zeros product of zeros what we get zeros మనకు వచ్చిన zeros ఏంటి alpha is equals to minus 1 and beta is equals to 4 by 3 and you get minus 1 and 4 by 3 these two are zeros that is product ante into cheyali okay. Now minus 1 into 4 by 3 that is minus 4 by 3. So after finding the zeros of a polynomial I just added sum of zeros వచ్చిన 2 zeros ని add చేసా I get 1 by 3 and ఆ 2 zeros ని multiply చేసా their product also I get that is minus 4 by 3. So now what I am doing I know the just polynomial నాకు just polynomial మాత్రమే తెలుసు ఇప్పుడు నేనేం I am not find any kind of zeros ఏం find out చేయలేదు. What is the given polynomial? The given polynomial p of x is equals to 3x square minus 4x minus x minus 4. The given polynomial is 3x square minus x minus 4. So now I just want to use the relation how to find the sum of zeros and product of zeros. Just now we discussed it now. That is alpha plus beta sum of zeros okay na. Sum of zeros means that is alpha plus beta that is equals to minus b by a minus b by a minus b అంటే ఇక్కడ దీంతో కంపేర్ చేయండి. What is the main form? The standard form that is p of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c and a not equals to 0. Yes, this is the form of a quadratic polynomial na. p of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. ఇక్కడ b is a coefficient of x అంటే minus b అంటే minus coefficient of x by a. A means that is a coefficient of x square. By comparing this polynomial you just compare దీనికి కంపారిజన్ చేయాలి ఓకేనా. మైనస్ అంటే ఫార్ములాలో మైనస్ ఉంది రాసేస్తున్నా. b means that is the coefficient of x. That's why what is the coefficient of x? ఇక్కడ coefficient of x ఏముంది? that is what minus 1 okay by a means that is coefficient of x square coefficient a. Here x square coefficient what 3. Now minus of minus plus 1 by 3. Just now also మనం zeros find out చేసినప్పుడు sum of zeros is equals to we get 1 by 3. and product of zeros alpha beta అంటే ప్రోడక్ట్ అంటే ఆల్ఫా ఇంటూ బీటా ఓకేనా సింప్లీ ఆల్ఫా బీటా ఓకే దట్ ఈస్ సి బై ఏ ఓకే that is equals to c means that is the constant term. What is the constant term here? The constant term is minus 4 by a. A means what is the it's the coefficient of x square is a, that is coefficient of x square is 3. Now product of zeros minus 4 by 3. Just now we get that is for minus 4 by 3 only. So without finding zeros అసలు polynomial quadratic polynomial zeros find out చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేకుండానే without finding zeros by using this relation okay we can find the sum of zeros and the product of zeros. So this is the required answer for this question. Okay students, you to take the different polynomials and you to find the zeros and check the verify the relation between them. Okay.